This COVID-19 response project proactively addresses a national product shortage of personal protective equipment. It builds on a partnership between the Ryerson University Creative Technology Lab at FCAD and St. Michael's Hospital. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the lab is voluntarily operating as a localized, configurable microfactory and have increased accessibility to on-demand production through rapid iteration and niche manufacturing. We have developed a medical-grade face shield that is used to protect an individual's eyes, nose, and face from the transmission of COVID-19 via droplet exposure. The shield is fabricated in 40 seconds with the use of a laser cutter and designed for comfort, are lightweight, and able to be sanitized and reused by the frontline workers.